open Payoneer account. So the first step is to simply go to payoneer.com and then simply click on open your account. Now the next step is to choose for what do you want to use Payoneer. So as you can see, if you are an e-commerce owner, you can select that, freelancer, service providers, or add other digital businesses. So I'm gonna go with freelancer, and then here you're gonna have to choose what you are looking to do with your Payoneer account. So get paid and make payments globally, and simply send payments using a debit or credit card or via bank transfer to Payoneer customers. So simply select any of these, and then you're gonna have to simply click on register. Now here you're gonna have to select individual, or if you're a company you can do that, and then here you're gonna have to choose the category and then click on next. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the sign-in details. You're gonna have to enter your email, so I'm gonna copy that really fast, and then you're gonna have to create your password, then click on next. Then you're gonna have to confirm that you are not a robot, and then we're gonna have to simply enter your country. So here I'm gonna go with the United States. Then here you're gonna have to enter the state, street number, and then here the city, town. So I'm gonna enter New York, and then here the zip code. After that, you're gonna have to simply enter your first and last name, and then here you're gonna have to enter your date of birth. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your ID details. You're gonna have to enter your document here, your ID number, and then the mobile number, and then simply click on sign up, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.